the weather team tracking the tropics because there are 3 systems that have popped up. The National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on these 3. We'll start off with the one that's closer to the Gulf. So this one has a 30% chance of crossing over the Yucatan Peninsula and tracking towards the southwestern portion of the Gulf. This is what the model plots are thinking will happen, so a pretty similar track to Alberto. Now let's talk about the other areas. We have Tropical Depression 2 in this guy that's come off the west coast of Africa. We'll have a while to watch that one. 7-day chance is 30%. Now, Tropical Depression 2, this one has certainly caught our attention because you can notice over the last couple scans from infrared imagery, it's got that center of convection that's pretty defined. Winds just shy of tropical storm strength, so we're thinking this is going to become barrel pretty soon. In fact, this is the cone. Not only is it expected to become the next tropical system, it's expected to become the first hurricane of the system too. The National Hurricane Center putting this at Category 2 strength as it passes through the Windward Islands, maintaining that strength just south of Puerto Rico, just south of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, still looking strong. And then once it gets close to Cuba, that's when it starts to weaken. And I don't think it's going to do very much after that. Regardless, we've got a long time to watch this. From where it's at, impacts to the U.S., if any, would happen in 10 to 12 days. So we'll monitor this closely. Right now, the consensus is that it's going to weaken in the Caribbean before it gets close to the Gulf. Here's a live look across southeast Texas. So yes, watching a couple of clouds bubbling up. Some of these clouds could bring down a couple of isolated showers as you head home from work. This is the shot over our studios, Westheimer and Chimney Rock, looking out at the Galleria, and the shot of downtown too. Hotel Zaza, Herman Park, 95. It is definitely hot, and yep, with a lot of humidity too. Some of that humidity will aid in a couple of these storms that are fueled by the sea breeze. Right now, the only showers we're tracking along I-10, the Katy freeway. So if you're headed home in this direction, Katy to Sealy, maybe you'll encounter some slick roads. Future Track shows us the potential for a couple showers. Stick with us until about 6-7 o'clock, and then that's it. Friday night plans are looking pretty good. The rain scales back though. Make those reservations inside because it is going to be pretty hot. Temperatures still in the low 90s through 7 o'clock. By 10 p.m. we're in the mid 80s, and we're under that heat advisory until 7 tonight. Tomorrow, another heat advisory between noon and 7. So same time frame that you want to limit your time outdoors. If you're headed to the Pride Parade tomorrow, starts at 7. Temperatures will be in the low 90s. By the time it's wrapping up, temperatures will be in the mid 80s. Don't forget to carry that water canteen with you. Keep hydrated. That's going to be the recommendation through the rest of summer. 7-day forecast looks like this. By the end of the weekend, temperatures are in the upper 90s. Notice Sunday and Monday could start to get a little bit more hazy. We're tracking some of that Saharan dust coming into southeast Texas. And then for your 4th of July forecast, it looks like we're going to be hot with low end rain chances. Only 10 to 20% for the 7-day forecast, guys.